Hello, good morning, students. Previously, I started class 9 mathematics chapter Heron's formula, and in previous lecture only I discussed formula of area of triangles and few problems also. Today I will discuss first related to that first exercise of from NCERT. The perimeter of triangular field is 540 meter and its sides are in the ratio 25:17:12. Find the area of the field. Also find the cost of plugging the field at rupees 5 per meter square. First, area of rectangular plot we want a field we want to calculate, and lastly the cost of plugging. For solution of this question, what we have done first, we find the sides of triangular field. Here in ratio given. For this purpose, what we have do, first we find the let sides of field be 25x, 17x and 12x. 12x. Perimeter means what? Sum of our sides. 25. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 25x plus 17x plus 12x. 9 plus 5 14, 4 1 carry, 4 5 54x, and that is 540 meters. Then x is equal to what we can get? X is equal to 10 meter. Therefore, sides of field is 250 meter. 10 you put here in place of x, 250 meter, 170 meter and 120 meter. Clear? After this, I will discuss here area of triangle, area of field is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S value what? We can get there. Just half of this one, perimeter. Then S is known as semi-perimeter, means half of perimeter. Then 270 we will get. Then S value 270 minus 250, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 120 square meter. 270 into 20 into 100 into 0, 7 minus 2, 5, 1. 0, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay then. In place of this one, this 2 0, 1 0 will come out and here from. Then 100 we will take common. Then here 27 remain. Here 2 remain. That is 10 10 100 remains. Finish this one. 150. Now simplify this one. 100. You know from where 100 is 10? Square root of 100, 10. And these 2 0. In place of this one, 110 will come outside of this under root. Then 3 10 are 100 here written. Here remains 27. Here 2. That is already finished. 100 square root taken 10 and 150. You see here in factors form 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 3 is 9 3 is 27 into 2 into 150 2 75 3 25 5 5 that is then 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. You see that pair already all of you seen. This one pair all of you seen. This one also seen. Then what is remain here? 2 into 3 pair also 2 one here and this 3 and this 3 2 pairs. Then what happened? 100 into first pair 2 3 into 3 into 5 square meter. How many we will get there? 5 3 is 15, 30, 33 is 90, 9,000 square meter. 15 2 is 30, 33 is 90, 19 209. Clear? That is your answer. Again one more question, that is the area of triangular field. After this I will discuss what is cost of plugging. Cost of plugging at rate ₹5 per meter square equal to ₹5 into 9,000 ₹45,000. That is your answer. Hello students. In this question I am going to discuss how we calculate the area of quadrilateral. All of you thinking, sir, in this chapter only you study explaining the area of triangle. Then how we can calculate the area of quadrilateral? You see, to find the area of quadrilateral using area of triangle, this quadrilateral we can divide in two parts. All of you know that in question given that BCD is equilateral triangle 26 centimeter, 26 centimeter, 26 centimeter, and ABD is right angle triangle. BAD is right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. This side 24 centimeter. If AB we can calculate, then here we can able to use the formula 1 by 2 base into height. And for equilateral triangles, all of you know that what is the area of equilateral triangle? Under root 3 by 4 A square or sides square. Then first I will do find in triangle BAD. Solution you see. Solution in right triangle BAD using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What we can able to write using Pythagoras theorem? BD square is equal to AD square plus AB square. BD square 26 square is equal to AD square 24 square plus AB square. AB square is equal to 26 square minus 24 square. A square minus B square in first bracket, A plus B. When we will do add, then what we can get there? AB square is equal to 26 square minus 24 square. You able to calculate this value by doing square of 26, square of 24 minus this one, or one shortcut method in class F also study. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b. 26 plus 24 15. In a minus b, 26 minus 24 200. Then AB is equal to what? 10 centimeter. In this way. Anyhow, how you will find this answer? It is not matter, but answers needed that. Now you see, area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Right triangle. That's why we can use 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base, that's one calculated 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter into 24 centimeter. This 2 cancel by this 12. 120 centimeter square. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle BCD. What formula we can use? Under root 3 by 4 a square or side square. Under root 3 by 4 side how many given? 26. 26 into 26 centimeter square. 2 13 2 13 13 13 ja 169 169 root 3 centimeter square. In this question also you see given that root 3 value this one. We will put this value also. 169 into 1.73 centimeter square. We put the value, multiply this one. 169 into 1.73. 3 9 is 27. 2 carry. 3 6 is 18 plus 2 22 carry. 3 1 is 3 plus 2 5. 7 6 is 63. 6 carry. 7 6 is 42 plus 6 48. 4 carry. 7 1 is 7 plus 4 11. 9 6 1. 7 3 8 16 17 plus 5 22 2 6 7 8 9 and that is 2. And this one we will put here. Then 292.37 centimeter square. Therefore, area of quadrilateral, both triangle area calculated here. Now what? Area of quadrilateral ABCD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. This one 120 centimeter square plus 292.37 centimeter square. When we will add, then we can get 2 plus 0 2, 9 plus 2 11, 1, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4.37 centimeter square. Then in this way we calculate the area of quadrilateral using formula area of triangle. In few cases, you say which question here we are selecting. In all cases, so we get the formula 1 by 2 base into height 1 by under root 3 by 4 area quadrilateral. But in few cases, in between them, we can use Heron's formula also to find the area. Then in this way, we can calculate the area of quadrilateral using formula area of triangles. Okay then. Next question I will see in next video.